Hello, today I will show you how to check your battery health with the Ampere app on OPPO A79. First we will need to go into the Google Play Store, because we need to download an external app for this. First, after going into the Play Store, tap on the search box and type in Ampere. A-M-P. It should autocomplete. Now, here we can simply tap install. We will need to wait for the installation to complete and then simply tap open. Now we will be prompted to agree to some terms. We can just tap no thank you and close down. Tap OK after you learn how to navigate the menu, and here you can see all the statistics about your battery. Here you can see that our health condition is good. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to comment, like and subscribe.